Most kittens learn how to use the litter box from their mother, making the house training process pretty hassle-free. Cats also have a natural instinct to bury their waste, so you shouldn't have any problem getting your new furry friend to use their litter box. Place your kitten in its litter box throughout the day, like after it eats or wakes up from a nap, so it gets familiar with using it. If your kitten doesn't do anything when you put it in the litter box, try holding its paw and gently scratching the litter with it a few times, which should encourage it to go. After your kitten uses its litter box, give it a treat to reinforce the behavior. If your kitten goes to the bathroom outside of the litter box, quickly move it to the box. Place the waste in the litter box, too, to remind your kitten where it's supposed to go. Avoid yelling, since it could scare your kitten from using the litter box in the future. Keep your kitten's litter box in a quiet spot that's easy for it to find, and make sure the sides are low enough for your kitten to easily climb in and out.